Welcome students. Today's topic is our today's topic is prochiral prochiral prochirality. Prochirality. See, prochirality. Before prochirality, we have one more topic, that is enantiotopic and diastereotopic. So that two topic we will discuss after prochirality, because in that two topic, in enantiotopic and diastereotopic, we have the use of this prochirality. So we will discuss this first, and afterwards we will discuss that in enantiotopic and diastereotopic. Okay, so let's start with prochirality. Now, what is prochirality? First of all, we'll write the definition and then we'll discuss this topic with example. So prochirality means a carbon attached to two identical ligands like CAA and BC. It is CABC, like this is said. I will explain this. First we will write the definition and then I will explain. Is said to be a prochiral center if one of the identical ligands is replaced by another ligand different from any of the remaining ligands. Then a new chiral center is pro-induced. The new chiral center is pro-induced, that is C, A, B, C and D. Now we'll explain. See what is said in this. A carbon attached to two identical ligands is said to be a prochiral center. Suppose एक कार्बन है, इसके पास A और B, C, ऐसा कोई कार्बन है जिसके पास टू आइडेंटिकल लिगेंड्स हैं, या फिर बोल सकते हैं टू आइडेंटिकल ग्रुप्स हैं एंड टू different groups. Such carbon is called as a prochiral carbon. Prochiral carbon means if the carbon is attached by two identical ligands and two different ligands, then the carbon is called as prochiral. It is not chiral carbon. Because we know that in chiral carbon is attached with four different ligands. But prochiral carbon attached with two same ligand and two different ligand. It is clear what is chiral carbon and prochiral carbon. Prochiral carbon is having two same ligand and two different, but chiral carbon is having all the four ligand different. Okay, this is the difference between chiral carbon and prochiral carbon. Now what is said in this definition? A carbon attached to two identical ligands. These two identical ligands is said to be a prochiral center. If one of the identical ligand is replaced by another ligand different from any other of the remaining ligand, then a new chiral center is produced. Now what is said? This prochiral center we can change to chiral carbon. How we can change to chiral carbon? If we undergo reaction by the D ligand. Suppose D is any ligand. Okay, D is any ligand. What is this ABCD? See, in place of ABCD you can put any ligand. You can put any ligand, you can put any halides, means X, you can put chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, or in the place of ABCD you can put CH3, OH, COOH, any group you can put. I just write ABCD for that you can very well understand. Okay, so if we undergo this molecule with D, undergo reaction with D, then what happen? One of these two identical ligand, it will get replaced by D like this manner, B, C. It will be D and it will be A. What happen in this? On undergoing reaction of this prochirality molecule, so this molecule can also be called as prochirality molecule. This carbon is called as prochiral carbon and this molecule is said as prochirality. Okay, so if we undergo reaction of this prochiral molecule with D is any ligand. D क्या लिखा है इसमें? D is another ligand डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द रिमेनिंग लिगेंड. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? जो हम लोग डी इसमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं फॉर रिएक्शन विद दिस कंपाउंड, इट शुड बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस रिमेनिंग लिगेंड. It should be different. This ligand should be different from the ligand attached to this chiral carbon. है ना, डिफरेंट ही है. डी है, ए, बी और सी है. हमने डी से रिएक्ट किया है ना. सपोज इसमें हम क्लोरीन, फ्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन ले रहे हो तो इसमें कुछ OH से रिएक्ट कर देना है. ऐसे लिखने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ़ यू राइट लाइक दिस देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ सफिशिएंट. इसको डी से रिएक्ट किया और व्हाट हैपन दिस टू आउट ऑफ दिस टू आइडेंटिकल ligand, or we can say out of these two identical atom, one is replaced by D, and now we got this is the product. Now in this product, this carbon, center carbon, it is a chiral carbon. Why it is chiral carbon? Because all the four ligands are different. All the four atoms attached to this carbon are different. It means that we can say that in prochirality, we can change the prochiral carbon to the chiral carbon by reaction with the ligand that is different from the ligand attached to the prochiral carbon. Okay, this is sufficient. Say this prochirality, it is asked for 2 marks. 2 marks, generally it is asked for 2 marks, so it is sufficient, this definition, and this is example. See, if you are not remembering that what group should be put in place of ABCD, just write ABC. Okay, just write ABC and show this reaction, it is sufficient. Means we are changing prochiral carbon change to chiral carbon. It is changed to chiral carbon. It is more than sufficient. So in the next topic we will have the use of this prochirality. Thank you.